Hey there, my name is Charles, and this is Infallible Code, a channel designed to help you become a better game programmer. Now, a couple weeks ago, I surpassed 10,000 subscribers, and as a show of my gratitude to all of your support, I decided to host a 10,000 subscriber giveaway for these custom Infallible Code pins. Now, I asked you guys to subscribe and check out this Gleam.io page to sign up, and today we're gonna pick 10 winners so that I can send you guys these pins, which I just dropped on the floor. Don't worry if you don't win one today. I have planned a bunch of other giveaways in the future for other milestones and honestly just for fun. I'll be giving away more pins once I pick this one up off the floor. I'm gonna give away some t-shirts, some polos, and even some Unity assets. I have some partnerships that I'm going to work out and give you guys the opportunity to win some Unity assets. So without further ado, let's dive into this giveaway. Let's select the winners. All right, congratulations to the winners. If you won, be sure to check your email. I'll be shooting you an email asking you for your shipping information so I can send you one of these awesome Infallible Code pins. If you didn't win, do not worry, I'll be doing a lot more of these in the future. I'll be giving away pins, polos, t-shirts, and some Unity assets. Guys, I can't thank you enough for your support. It's thanks to you all and the community that we've grown that this channel has become what it has, and I truly am appreciative of that. If you'd like to see more of these Unity programming tutorials, game development tutorials, then make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll be notified whenever a new tutorial comes out. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Thank you to all of my patrons, and a special shout out to Dark Rush Photography, Yakov, Willandingo, Thomas, Sean Carey, Richard Stantz, and NZ.